Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and setup of the Arlo security tag. This tag can give you a convenient way to arm or disarm your home security system or your Arlo video doorbell camera. So all you got to do is you got to tap it against your keypad sensor hub, or you got to tap it against your Arlo video doorbell camera. Okay? And that arm or disarms the device. So this thing is small and convenient, and it even can fit on a key ring. So let me open it up and have a look. Alright. So it looks like you get two of them. You get a white one and a black one, of course. Alright. So here we go. There they are. So it looks like they got a key ring with them, which is good. Alright, let me pull them out here. Let me pull the white one out. So like I said, each one comes with a key ring. Alright, so let's see what else is in the box. Alright, let's look at this. So it looks like you got some instructions here. So here it is, front and back. Okay guys, so we're logged into the app, and in this particular instance I have the Arlo video doorbell set up, as y'all already know because I did a video on it. So we're going to hit the plus sign and go add a device. Alright. And then we're going to go doorbell and chime. Okay, we're going to go all the way to the bottom and hit Arlo tags and safe buttons. Alright, so right now this is checking for updates. Okay, so it says tap your device over your video doorbell. You will hear a tone from the video doorbell. So I got a video doorbell right here. I pulled it down for demonstration purposes, so I'm going to go ahead and tap it. So we heard the chime, and it found the security tag. I'm going to hit continue. Alright, so it says name your device. So I'm just going to name it security tag. Alright. Okay, hit continue. It says now you can use your Arlo tag to switch to standby mode. Just tap it over the video doorbell button to confirm the change, just like I just did. And I hit finished. Alright, so as you can see, the security tag is enabled. So I guess I can go back. Alright, so here we go. So you can see everything. Alright guys, as you can see, I just put it in standby. Anyways guys, I would say the best way to use this would be to give it to a housekeeper or a dog walker or somebody like that. That way they don't have to learn your PIN to your security system to be able to enter your house or to disable the doorbell. Anyways, that's the end of the video. I'll catch you guys later.